Alright, waited a few weeks and got my no-drill spider rack installed. This is a 2010 Toyota Tundra double cab. The install went pretty easy. Pretty much the suggestions I would make to anyone doing this: if the videos don't help, just get your 5/32 Allen wrench, a pair of scissors, maybe a pair of dikes, and just be patient. Double check before you break open the epoxy for the mounts. Just make sure you line everything up. Take your time, and it goes on fairly smooth. This was designed this way so that you didn't have to drill into your roof, and this thing is solid. Everything lined up pretty good, no issues. The scissors and the dikes you'll need for the piece of metal that runs in the factory rubber gutter piece, but it snaps like once you cut it with the scissors. But if you gotta like fine tune it, you will need a pair of dikes. The blocks, obviously you'll need a mallet. They push down, they get wedged in that channel. Overall, it's a good design. I haven't obviously tested it, I just installed it. Yeah, you put your blocks in, put your side rails on. Once your side rails are on, don't tighten these down yet. Put your crossbars on. I just did one side, laid them down, joined them over here, and then it's easier to square everything up, just lining up with your windshield. But I'll give a future review, because I'm going to be putting my spare up here, which is going to be a 35 and a high lift jack and maybe something else. I was told that this has it's 400 pound static maximum load. Feels pretty solid. And I don't think there's any way that these things can pop out, but I went with the paracord handles. I'm sure they'll come in handy. But yeah, this is the spider rack. And let me see, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it really looks good on the truck too, so I'll give her a test out, put some stuff on it, and see how it lasts. I'm in Pennsylvania, so I have winter coming, so we'll see how everything works. All right, I'll be back with another video in a few months.